Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. We are going to learn about top 40 farm animals for toddlers. Number 1. Cow. Number 2. Sheep. Number 3. Goose. Number 4. Horse. Number 5. Chicken. Number 6. Goat. Number 7. Pig. Number 8. Donkey. Number 9. Duck. Number 10. Rabbit. Number 11. Rooster. Number 12. Cattle. Number 13. Turkey. Number 14. Llama. Number 15. Pigeon. Number 16. Buffalo. Number 17. Guinea pig. Number 18. Quail. Number 19. Emu. Number 20. Camel. Number 21. Honey bee. Number 22. Silkworm. Number 23. Bison. Number 24. Guinea fowl. Number 25. Ostrich. Number 26. Yak. Number 27. Reindeer. Number 28. Peacock. Number 29. Bantam chicken. Number 30. Alpaca. Number 31. Bactrian camel. Number 32. Ferret. Number 33. Hamster. Number 34. Pygmy goat. Number 35. Kangaroo. Number 36. Mandarin duck. Number 37. Pony. Number 38. Turtle. Number 39. Snail. Number 40. Pheasant. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.